How to apply coins in Lazada. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply coins in Lazada. Start by navigating to the coins page on Lazada. You can usually find this in the app or website menu under coins or rewards. Once on the coins page, scroll down to find the deals with coins section. Here, you will discover various offers where you can use your accumulated coins to get discounts or special deals on products. For vouchers, again, visit the coins page and scroll to the vouchers section. Here, you can exchange your coins for vouchers that provide discounts on future purchases. If you're interested in gifts, scroll down further on the coins page to the gifts section. You may find exciting items that you can claim using your collected coins. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.